Birthday list off, celebrating number 11, mask in hand. Braylon, a happy birthday to you, my friend, in Uniontown.
All right. John Shields turning 15 years old this year. Happy birthday, John, in Chanute, Kansas.
In Bronson, Joey Marlowe, now turning 16 years old. Handing the keys. Go get the license, my man. Happy birthday, Joey.
Right, in Pittsburgh, celebrating birthday number 17 this year, it's Roman Hurlbert. Happy birthday, Roman. Hope it's a great one.
Sarah Goebel celebrating a 17th birthday as well. A little Girard Trojan pride out on the volleyball court. Sarah, have a great, great day. She is in Girard.
All right, Sydney Frankenberry turning
Who that is?
18 years old this year. Already 18. With love from Grandma and Grandpa.
Happy birthday, Sid. Great young woman right there. Have a great day, my friend. Hey, look who's back.
We gotcha.
Jared Ludwig. He is on your right. He is from Edna. And Jared, I know we got you on yesterday, but because of your service and when a great picture like that, we wanted to make sure that we celebrated it once again. So thank you for your patience, Jared. A very happy birthday, a big 40th happy birthday to you, and a thank you for your service from all of us here at KOM as well.
Turning 40 on a Wednesday. We know he's going to be celebrating all the way through to the weekend. We like that. Happy birthday, Jared. In Pittsburgh, Brandy Duncan celebrating birthday number 44 this year. Happy birthday, Brandy.
Out in Chanute, Michelle Clounch. I love it. She's celebrating her 50th birthday. I hope the birthday party is as good as that party was right there. That's going to be a whole lot of fun. Happy birthday, Miss Michelle.
And in Columbus, Tracy Clugston. Happy birthday to you.
We got one more to go. Let's give her a screen all to herself. I wish Teresa. There it is. Trey was back there making the font 87 point. He's like, I'm gonna make this worthwhile. Shout out Trey Dawson coming in running our graphics this week. Trey's like, watch what I can do with Teresa Brooks' birthday. Boom. Make it huge. Give her screen. Teresa, a very happy birthday in the big font as she celebrates in Iola. A happy birthday and happy anniversary to all. You can send them into komnewsnow.com. You got an email choice, you got an online choice. Remember, to do the email, don't forget that is birthdays plural, birthdays with an S. And make sure you put in the old subject line or the body of the email itself exactly what day you want it to run on. And now here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.